COVID-19 vaccination. The world is in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Vaccine saves millions of lives. Vaccines work by training and protecting the body's natural defenses, the immunity system, to recognize and fight off the viruses and bacteria they target. Vaccine is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting people against harmful diseases. After vaccination, the body is later exposed to those disease causing germs. The body is immediately ready to destroy them, preventing illness. It's not vaccines that will stop the pandemic, it's vaccination that will help to return to a normal life. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how the COVID-19 vaccine works. The COVID-19 vaccine produces protection against the disease as a result of developing an immune response to the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Developing immunity through vaccination means there is a reduced risk of developing the illness and its consequences. This immunity helps you to fight the virus if exposed. Thank you.
COVID-19 vaccine has severe side effects such as allergic reactions.
Some participants in the vaccine clinical trial did report about the side effects. Although extremely rare, people can have severe allergic reaction due to the ingredients used in the vaccine.
The COVID-19 vaccine is unsafe because it was developed so quickly.
Authorized vaccines are safe and effective. Although they were developed in a record time, they have all gone through the same processes as other vaccines. The clinical trials and safety reviews about the vaccine took at the same time as other vaccines.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Kharat and I will be giving brief information regarding importance of COVID-19 vaccination. COVID-19 vaccines are very effective and they will protect you from getting and spreading the virus that can cause COVID-19 disease. COVID-19 vaccines also help to protect you from getting seriously ill and avoid hospitalization even if you do get COVID-19 disease. Being vaccinated yourself may protect people around you, particularly those who are at increased risk of getting severe illness with COVID-19 disease. We need to get COVID-19 vaccines even after getting infected with COVID-19 disease because the vaccine acts as a booster shot with previously infected people. They should take the vaccines at least 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Pranali Praveen Goyal. I'm working in Brish Candy as a senior staff nurse since 17 years. I have taken my Covishield vaccine in the month of Feb and the second dose I have taken in month of March. I had no reaction. So my request to all of you, please go and take a vaccine. You may get a fever or a body ache for a one day, so you can take a tablet dolo. But my humble request to all of you, please.
आज हमारे बीच एक वायरस है। यह तेजी से फैल रहा है। एक निडर कवक यह फ्लू नहीं है। यह कुछ नया है। हमने इस वायरस के लिए काफ़ी कुछ किया है। टीकाकरण अब केंद्र चरण में है। हमें विश्वास है कि वो पुष्ट को बदल देंगे। हम कतार में खड़े होंगे। यह टीका आपके लिए है, इसलिए एक नए युग की शुरुआत होती है। धन्यवाद।
कल मेरे पेरेंट्स ने वैक्सीन ली है,
पर मेरे पेरेंट्स वैक्सीन लेने के लिए डर रहे हैं। आज पड़ोस वाले वैक्सीन लेने के बारे में बहुत कुछ नेगेटिव बोल रहे थे, जैसे कि बुखार आता है और बॉडी पेन होता है।
हाँ, यह होना नॉर्मल है। मेरे पापा को बुखार आया था, माँ का हाथ दर्द कर रहा था और थोड़ा वीकनेस महसूस हो रहा था, पर अब वह दोनों बिल्कुल ठीक है।
ठीक है, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स के एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ और जल्द से जल्द वैक्सीन लगवाने को कहती हूँ।
वैक्सीन लेने से हमारी इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ जाती है और कोविड-19 जैसी महामारी से बचाव भी संभव हो सकेगा यदि हम सही समय पर वैक्सीनेशन लें।
In India, we have developed two vaccines. First, Covishield and second, Covaxin. We have started our vaccination drive with our indigenous vaccine only. Pharma giants from other parts of the world have developed costly vaccines. We should not forget we need to vaccinate 1.37 billion people, and that will be a huge outflow. As per the External Affairs Ministry, India has also helped Saudi Arab, Canada, and other countries.